Okay, so I'm sure all of us know what Badlion has with their secret routes, right? It's like these waypoints here with these lines. Well, guess what? This is on Forge. This is not Badlion. So this is secret routes mod. How it works, literally, we all know BLC routes. There's a start, there's a line, tells you where to go. Interact with the chest, AOTV onto that. Pick up the item, hit the interact. AOTV onto that. Like, it's waypoints for secret routes. Like, we all know how that works, right? And yeah, there's like lines telling you where to go and stuff. You can set the width of the line. You can change it to fire particles if you want, for some reason. I don't know. I personally like lines. They just look so much nicer. Couple things. Inside of your config, secret routes folder. This will be created automatically when you launch the mod and you run it. Also, this config menu, you press right shift, it opens one config. Secret routes mod. That's how you get to it. It has these two folders. One of them, routes.json. This will be downloaded automatically from our GitHub. If you lose the file or it goes missing or something's wrong with your routes, just click update routes. Like, look, delete, update routes. It downloads it again. There it is. You can also do import routes. It will open like a file selector here. You can go through your whole folder and find some stuff. And then route recording. Buttons are fairly self-explanatory. If you want to record your own routes, you just hit start recording. Then you go through your route. You do all this stuff. Then you hit stop. And then go to the next room if you want to record another room. Or you can just do export if you're all done everything. It'll put it in your downloads folder. Then click import, which will load it from your downloads folder. But make sure you're in the room you want to test, obviously. Click import, and then just to test. But then it'll be in your downloads folder. You can send it to your friends, tell them to put it in their config secret routes folder. And then, yeah, it'll be right there. And also this little routes.json, if you have multiple ones, like routes2.json, then you could just change this to routes2, right? And then when recording, important, we don't have stuff for all the different waypoints, so you have to do set bat manually because it was just inconsistent, the detection. Rendering, you can change the colors for literally everything. You can even make it chroma if you want. And there's little reset buttons here. There's toggles for all the text rendering, and then you can change the colors and size of all the stuff. You can play with these settings on your own. And then if you want to save all of your color settings, you just click save, and it'll save it to this file name inside of this color profiles folder here. So I have a black one and a default one. This black one, which I made before. So you would just type the name if you want to switch between them, and then click load. Boom, now it's all black, and you can reset it if you want. Or you can go back to default.json, load. And it will automatically load whatever file's in here as the first one every time. And if you want to see what you have in your folder, click list. It puts it there in your chat. And then last thing, import. Same thing as before. You can find a file. It'll copy it to this folder. So super simple to use, super awesome. Source code is all here on the GitHub. GitHub.com, your boy Kyle, secret routes. This is the only one you should be using. Do not download it from anywhere else. This is the only main GitHub. The Discord link is right here. It's discord.gg/secretroutsmod. discord.gg/secretrouts. That is the only one you should be joining. Anything else is definitely a scam. This is the releases page. The latest one is v0.4, obviously. At the time of making this video, we'll be releasing more updates as we come up with them. Stay in the Discord for update notifications. And if you have any questions at all, then please just join the Discord and ask us in our support channel down here. This is where you can go for any questions or put bug reports in this threads, or if you have suggestions, they'll go here. Releases all go in here. Yeah, that's pretty much how it goes. That is Secret Routes mod. Last thing I want to say is I do want to credit to Dungeon Rooms Mod. We used their code for room detection, so thank you to Cornazir and everyone else who helped. And then also thank you to Dungeons Guide and Soupy. We used some of their code for like rendering lines and boxes and stuff. And then also thanks to Zyra. He was the one who recorded all our routes for us. Huge help. And most importantly, thanks to Wyan here, my amazing friend and developer. He's super helpful. We've been creating a ton of updates. So thank you to all those people for helping me make this, and I really appreciate all the support. So thank you, and happy dungeoning.